Located on Treaty 1 territory and the home of the traditional land of the Anishinaabe, Cree, Oji-Cree, Dakota, and Dene people, and the homeland of the Métis Nation, Collége Garden City prides itself on a history of providing students with an opportunity to achieve academic excellence, a sense of self-worth, and a belief in the importance of connecting with community. With an enrollment of approximately 1,400, Garden City aims to provide our students with a diverse range of subjects, opportunities, and experiences. At Garden City, we strive to achieve educational success for all of our students. With a passionate staff of dedicated teachers, our goal is to see success for all learners.
Or you have not handed in your calendar. Those are both extremely passive too.
In addition to our strong academic programming, our diverse range of extracurricular clubs, sports teams, and student-led groups allows for every student to find a connection within the school.
Did this work okay? Yes. This was okay? Okay.
Anywhere from 8 to 10 points on this side, and 8 to 10 points.
The facilities at Garden City provide our students with a wonderful learning environment. From our first-class physical education facilities to the state-of-the-art Seven Oaks Performing Arts Center, students will be proud to call our school home.
Hello and welcome to Garden City's Open House. My name is Tony Kreml, Principal at Garden City, and we're happy to have you with us for this brief presentation, wherever you may be. This presentation will give you a glimpse of what next year will be like, a year where we continue to offer the opportunities students desire. Garden City is a dual-track school offering French immersion and English programming to 1,400 students. With 92 dedicated teaching staff, we can provide a diverse offering of academics, arts, athletics, social justice clubs, and many other extracurriculars. You will notice that there's an opportunity for everyone to participate and excel in something that interests them. In the remainder of this presentation, you will meet students and administration. We hope you find this presentation informative and look forward to seeing you in person this fall.
Students, we know you have many questions. And what is high school at GC really like? What are the extracurricular opportunities? For this and more, I'd like to introduce you to our students who can give you an idea of what GC is all about. Thank you for joining us and enjoy the rest of the presentation.
Hello there, class of 2026. Welcome to the next and most exciting chapter of your life, high school. Now, as scary as that may sound, let me tell you that these next 4 years will be the best years to come yet. And lucky for you guys, you chose a great school to share these years with. And from senior to freshman, let me give you this one piece of advice. Please take your sweet, sweet time in high school and enjoy every single moment of it.
My experience here at Garden City has been positive. Everyone here is uplifting, coming from the staff, the students, everyone here is really looking out for each other. And it's always been good for me, I feed off the positive energy from everyone else, so I've been thriving so far from my freshman year up until now.
Well, coming into grade 9, I was a little bit nervous. Middle school and the high school is definitely very different. The transition isn't always seamless. But coming in, I made some pretty good friends, even on my first day of school. And the reason I did that is because I sat somewhere different with people I didn't know. And that's something I would recommend to anyone coming in, is find people you don't know. Find new people, new faces, because we're not always going to have the same people around us all the time, and it's such a great way to meet people, and it's such a great way to have new friends.
Bonjour les nouveaux élèves de 9e. Je sais que le changement fait peur. Je suis en ce moment pour planifier mes études universitaires. Mais avec le changement viennent des nouvelles expériences passionnantes. Selon l'école, vous apprendra non seulement beaucoup sur le plan académique, mais elle vous en apprendra également sur vous-même. C'est le meilleur moment pour essayer de nouvelles choses, qu'il s'agisse de cours, de sport ou d'art. Secondaire vous donne un aperçu de ce à quoi pourrait ressembler votre vie. Selon l'école, c'est l'endroit où vous trouvez votre passion, vous trouvez des amis pour la vie et j'espère que vous apprendrez un peu en cours de route. Le programme de français m'a ouvert tellement de portes en ce qui concerne la rencontre de nouveaux amis, les opportunités d'emploi, les opportunités universitaires et les opportunités de voyage. Le français est une compétence que vous utiliserez tout au long de votre vie. Si je pouvais revenir en arrière et dire à mon autoconseil de 9e année, ce serait d'essayer autant de nouvelles choses que possible et de ne se limiter à ce que les autres personnes pensent de vous. Selon l'école peut être difficile, mais avec un travail acharné et un équilibre, vous appréciez ces petits moments de bonheur chaque jour. Je sais que l'obtention du diplôme semble très loin en ce moment, mais croyez-moi, 4 ans peuvent passer en clin d'œil.
You are given so many opportunities to meet new people through the programs and extracurriculars at Garden City. For me, my freshman year, I played grade 9 volleyball, and there I made connections with girls I didn't even think I'd ever meet in middle school. During my sophomore and junior year, I joined the dance team at Garden City called Reality Check, and that was a huge opportunity for me because I got to take my passion for dance and combine it with my school. And in my senior year, I took a leap and joined student council.
I've been joining every sports team, volleyball, basketball. This year I decided I'm going to do track. So I've been involved in a lot of clubs, and what's cool about here at Garden City is there's a home for everyone else. You know, they got clubs for everyone here. You know, we got chess clubs, we got Dungeons and Dragons clubs, we got dance clubs. Like we have everything here. So everyone here really has a home.
I play hockey for the Garden City girls hockey team. Now I am the assistant captain. And this year we're having a wonderful, wonderful year. And the team starts in grade 9 and ends with you in grade 12. So everyone plays together. And it's a really great way to meet people. And it's a really great way to form those bonds. And I'm also really a big fan of the performing arts. I'm in drama. I was in choir for the first few years of high school. And again, I'm in the musical this year.
At Garden City, I've been very involved with doing volunteer work. In grade 10, I took phys ed leadership, and my teacher, Mr. Ahau, introduced me to the Special Olympics program. And from there on in grade 10, I've been volunteering almost every day with that program. You know, so forming relationships with those kids, you know, making their day really helps make my day.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Chantal Desmarais. Je suis une des directrices adjointes ici au Collège Garden City Collegiate. Hi, I'm Chantal. I'm one of the vice principals here at Collége Garden City Collegiate. I'd like to start by thanking our student ambassadors who've done an excellent job of highlighting our school, our programs, and the countless opportunities students can access while attending school here. I invite you to visit our website. Here you'll find more detailed information about our various curricular groups and our French immersion program. When you go to our main school website, you'll find the About Us drop-down menu on the top left corner. There you'll find an option to select At a Glance. This will bring you to self-guided icons that highlight the different curricular groups and our French immersion programming. All students are assigned an advocacy teacher when they start at Garden City. Your advocacy teacher will be with you for 4 years and be an integral part of the support you receive here at Garden City. The first thing your advo teacher will be helping you with is selecting your courses on registration day, which is March 2nd. Additionally, each student's connected to a grade level administrator like myself, a school counselor, a learning support teacher, and all their subject teachers. All these people are a part of your team who will help you set goals and reach them throughout your whole high school journey here at Collége Garden City. Our grade 9 support team will also be visiting our community schools in the upcoming few weeks to provide students with additional information and answer questions. We're so excited to see you next year. À bientôt, see you soon.
Welcome, grad class of 2026. My name's Jane Romeo. I'm one of the vice principals here at Garden City Collegiate, and I'll be speaking about registration and selection of elective courses. Grade 8 students from HC Avery, Seven Oaks Middle School, and French immersion students from Leela North are automatically registered at Garden City Collegiate. Students new to Seven Oaks School Division who want to attend Garden City Collegiate will need to complete the online registration form on the Seven Oaks website. In grade 9, everyone takes English, math, science, social studies, and phys ed. French immersion also takes Francais along with all those courses. Then you have the opportunity to explore elective classes in music, theater, dance, technology, and applied arts. All students are assigned an advocacy teacher when they start at Garden City Collegiate, who provide them with support and guidance throughout all 4 years of high school. This year, we have moved to an online course selection process. Please go to our school website and look for GC at a glance. By selecting the Course Selections tab, you will find a tutorial with instructions on how to select courses for next year. Descriptions of each course can be found on our online school handbook. Once you select courses online, Advo teachers will be contacting you on March the 2nd to introduce themselves and confirm your course selections. Please contact the school if you have any further questions. I look forward to seeing you all in September.
I really encourage all of you to do as much as you can during your time at GC, because once you guys hop into the flow of high school, years will begin to feel like days.
And in grade 9, I was so lost and didn't really know who I was, and I look back and I think of how far I've come, and that's because I was just myself. Don't try and be anybody else, just be you.
Welcome to Garden City.
Welcome to Garden City.
Bienvenue au Collège Garden City.
Bienvenue and welcome to Garden City.